Good morning. In this video we'll see that how driver app A1 Humsafar Orient app is being used for EPOD purpose. Now on installing the app we get this language permission. Here we ask our partner drivers to log in, where they have to log in with their registered mobile number with the company and the truck number. These two numbers are associated with our database, and only those drivers will be able to log in who have a valid current order with them. An OTP will be generated, and this OTP will be auto read, and the driver will be able to log in. Now on login we are informing and asking the permission from the driver. And we are informing them that we are taking the location to capture the last mile delivery point, as in at the end point the driver will be able to complete the order, and at that point the location of delivery will be captured. Then we are also capturing the background location of the driver even when the app is closed. So when the driver has logged in into the app, we will capture the background location to track the truck with the help of the GPS or the mobile number of the driver. This will help us in tracking orders in transit and will provide visibility to our customers. And once the driver is logging out of the app, then this tracking will stop, or if the driver is completing his EPOD process, then the tracking will stop. Here the permission is taken. Then let's say that on reaching the delivery point, these are the invoices that are pending with the driver for delivery. So when the truck reaches the delivery point, the driver will click on the invoice. He will take the required EPOD signature from the receiver, and then he will press this button, I want to complete this trip, and he will complete the trip. On pressing this complete trip, the location of the driver will get captured, and then the invoice will get removed from here, and he will be able to log out. So this is how we are trying to capture the location, and on the portal we are providing the visibility of the order to our customers. So as the driver completed this process, now on pressing the invoice, our customer will be able to see the location where the driver is, where the material has been delivered. And this is how we are using this tracking EPOD app for tracking our orders in transit and completing the delivery process of EPOD, and also tracking the endpoint location where the delivery is made. Thank you.